So yesterday the dog started barking like crazy, but there was no knock on the door. So when I eventually opened the door, there was a little box waiting for me at the door. So it was just a courier putting something down and not even knocking. So this is the silver play button from YouTube for hitting 100,000 subscribers. And obviously you're the subscriber, so I thought it's only fair that we open this together because I didn't earn it. Dennis didn't earn it. You earned it. You clicked the button to get this. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside the box. Pretty exciting, eh? Alrighty, so it's just a black box. It's quite a sturdy box actually. So get a knife and let's open it. Let's see how many places do we need to cut. Alrighty, so it's just a bit of protective foam over there, and there's a card. Let's see, what does the card say? Just says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If it's damaged, blah blah blah. And then there's another letter, also just I suppose it's just like a congratulatory letter. You can pause the video. I'll do that. You can pause the video and read it if you want. Let's get to the good bit. There's the play button. you can see the cameras. And there you can say hello to Uncle Dennis. Let's zoom in on that. Okay, so that just says presented to Pain Basket for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Oh, it's quite pretty, eh? Like that. Very pretty. So yes, thank you very much. I think from me and Dennis, we thank you very much for giving us the thank you very much for subscribing and giving us this. I think what I'll do is I'll make a place here at the back. We'll pop it on the wall, so then every time you see a class, you can remember this is your play button. So thank you very much. Looking forward to maybe a gold play button, maybe one day.
I'd like to say something as well too, just to thank Nolan for taking the Pain Basket to such extreme height. I'm very proud of him. Thank you very much for all your loyalties through the years as well.
That's all good. Thank you guys. I'll see you in class.